statewide mask mandate. Businesses, though, can decide for themselves. And remember, the federal mask mandate still requires masks in those healthcare settings, prisons, and on public transit.
From Washington reopening to historic heat waves, I caught up with Washington Senator Patty Murray to hear her thoughts on the changes our state is experiencing, starting with a return back to normalcy as some coronavirus restrictions are lifted across our state. Senator Murray has a special message for our first responders.
I feel relieved, like everyone, that we're taking this major step forward. It is a relief for all of us. And I especially want to thank all of our first responders and healthcare workers, people who are putting vaccines into arms and continue to do so, and every family who's done what they need to do to protect themselves to get us to this point. So I'm relieved and I think excited, like everyone, that we're beginning to see an end to all of the challenges that we have faced. I feel.
And as we continue into the summer and the peak of wildfire season, Senator Murray encourages our community to take those precautions in these dangerous conditions.
Well, there's several things. First of all, we know there is going to be a fire danger, and everybody has to be very careful in the upcoming days as we work our way through this. In Washington, D.C., we are doing everything we can to get the Forest Service and everyone the resources and support they need, both to prevent fires and, if there are fires, which there likely will be, to make sure that our firefighters and first responders have the equipment support personnel that they need. But we're all going to have to be extra cautious this summer and going into the fall. Like everyone, we all want to celebrate, but we got to think twice. We're going through a major heat wave. Our forest lands, our grasslands are extremely dry right now. We each have to think, what can I do to help protect myself, my family, and my community? So be safe.